Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question answer series. Our today's question is, which electrode is commonly used for welding mild steel in general fabrication? So this is a very general question and it is asking which electrode is used in normal fabrication while welding mild steel. So for mild steel, the very general electrode which we use in the workshop or at site is E6013. E6013 is a general electrode which is used for general fabrication. E6010 is particularly used in pipelines, especially small bore pipelines where penetration is required. That is because of this its ability of forceful penetration. We use it in root run of small bore pipeline, and E7018 is also used in mild steel, but it is used for critical or for more sophisticated jobs, because this is a low hydrogen content electrode, and it gives radiographic quality weld, and also it is very costly, so it is used for more sophisticated or critical jobs or thicker jobs. For general fabrication we use E6013. So E6013 is most widely used for mild steel fabrication because it provides a smooth arc, less spatter, easy slag removal, and good appearance. Friends, I would request you to please join my channel if you have not done it yet. Very few people join, so I request you to please join, and this will help me financially. We have come to an end of our today's video. Hopefully, you will enjoy today's video. Please give your valuable feedback and suggestions. Thank you very much.